Amid the lush haven of bird paradise Singapore, a rare whisper moves among the leaves. The Santa Cruz Ground Dove, one of Earth's rarest birds, steps quietly, a survivor from distant Pacific islands. Thought to be nearly lost, it now finds safety in sanctuaries like this, where conservation meets wonder. Each gentle movement reminds us that beauty often hides in silence, and that every protected wing is a promise kept for tomorrow.